Are you looking for the best light meters in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best light meters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Dr.Meter LX11330B Digital Illuminance. The Dr.Meter Digital Light Meter is a 4-range of beauty and the most popular light meter on the market today. It is the best light meter ever developed that promises to deliver a rapid response and high accuracy when used. It features an over-range indication tool as well as the auto-zeroing feature, with all its units and signs being displayed on a screen for easy reading. The innovation that guided the invention of such a great light tool was full of modern knowledge and advanced technologies. Thus, the output of this meter is unique to the brand. The Dr.Meter Illuminance meter is well suited for use in the general field of lighting. It is often seen being used in sectors such as scenic design and cinematography, mainly because these areas require lots of light. What's more, making use of this type of light meter enables you to reduce the amount of light wasted in your home and also helps your plants grow to their optimum level while dealing with light pollution outdoors. This is a superb lighting tool, and it works perfectly in all situations. Once a purchase is made, users receive their light meter together with a manual that is simple to read and easy to comprehend. Up next in the 4th place is the Extech LT300 light meter. The second best light measuring tool our team of experts came across is the Extech LT300 light meter. We acknowledge the Extech brand as one of the best concerning the design and distribution of lighting equipment. They pride themselves in knowing the design requirements for every item they produce, and also keep themselves abreast with the changing times and technologies. This LT300 is a superb light meter built with an analog bar graph and a large LCD for easy viewing. It also features a backlight for users who love to read but prefer the use of low-level lights. There are 2 unique modes the Extech meter makes use of, namely the peak and relative styles. Besides these 2 main modes of operation, this light meter makes use of a color correction filter and a precision photodiode for optimum performance. The LT300 is a unit that features a remote light sensor cable, a 12-entity with the ability to expand to 24. All these features have been imbibed into this great unit for it to determine how adequate your illumination levels are. It works well in various sectors. Thus, it can be used by students, patients, workers, and attendees of different venues. The 3rd product on our list is the URCERI light meter. Another large brand in the industry of light equipment is URCERI, and they have made it onto our list of recommendations by launching the URCERI light meter. Over the years, the URCERI brand has done nothing but provide its customers with the best in equipment. They are recommended all over the world for their outstanding functions, excellent build, and affordable prices that complement the operational quality. Concerning their URCERI light meter, this is another superb handheld lighting unit. It has been programmed by seasoned experts to measure the ambient temperature of an area effectively and features an outstanding range of up to 200,000 lux. The features of this light meter for photography from URCERI are endless, with each element having a vital function in the overall excellence of the unit. Besides its luminosity range from 0 to 200,000 lux, this light meter has an LCD screen with 4 digital colors. This screen is responsible for the display of data hold, min-max readings, low battery indications, and auto power off. The ability of this unit to be handheld is due to its lightweight nature, besides being light in weight. It is also extremely durable, making storage and transportation far from arduous tasks for users. This URCERI light meter can be used in your home, factory, office, or at a set design, where light is vital to success. Second on our list is the Sekonic L308XU Flashmate light meter. In the Sekonic lineup today, The Sekonic L308XU Flashmate light meter is the lightest and smallest digital light meter to be launched. It is a pocket-sized unit with several modes available for a wide range of applications. Its high versatility makes it the ideal tool for areas such as cinematography and photography, and even HD cinematography. Besides its versatility, the Flashmate light meter has been adjudged the most affordable photosyn meter you will ever encounter in today's market. It is a unit that holds a legacy of accuracy, with many of its predecessors doing the same. It has been programmed by professionals to measure both flash and ambient lighting, while working with dedicated HD Cin and Cin modes in video-related areas. The Sekonic Flashmate exposure meter features 3 primary modes: the Photo, Cin HD, and HD modes. Each method is unique in its operations and, as such, can be used in different scenarios for an excellent effect. The Photo mode features aperture and shutter priority display for still image photographers, to provide them with a full range of flash and ambient functions. Some of these functions include ambient EV measurement and cordless flash measurement. The HD Cin mode is well suited for mirrorless and DSLR videographers, especially those who seek to control light and take exposure readings using frame sets and shutter speeds. In this mode, users have a 1/10 stop accuracy with their aperture settings. The last method, the Cin mode, does well when used for cinema-grade cameras. In this mode, users can select from a wide range of advantageous shutter angles and frame rates to help with their stop accuracy and exposure control. Finally, the top product on our list is the Sekonic Speedmaster L858DU light meter. Over the years, we have come across a wide range of digital light meter units made by several industries around the world. Every company swears by their product and calls it the best in the business. But after months of regular use, some customers tend to think differently. One company that stood the storm with its line of products is Sekonic. This is a company that understands its market and also understands the requirements of lighting. Every item they launch has been tested several times to ensure that nothing but the best is provided to every customer. This next product is yet another tool from the Sekonic line that is so amazing. We had to get it on our list. It is the Sekonic Speedmaster L858DU light meter. This innovative light meter helps photographers and cinematographers with the measurement of flash duration, a concept that must be understood sufficiently to freeze fast-moving subjects. This light meter was designed with superb features to increase its functionality, even after regular use. It features radio control modules that aid in wireless triggering, and also makes use of an increased light sensitivity feature. There is also the measurement of HSS flash, made possible only with the Sekonic Speedmaster. HSS flash is used mainly by photographers, as it helps them measure lights when they want to achieve a very shallow depth of field, or they merely need to overpower the sun. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.